Yet another day of rain, rain, rain. Apparently we're on the edge of a typhoon. I've not been on my bike. This is the second day. Can't get out. My son was up early and come into the room, didn't you? Yeah. Now, I don't know if you can see on the roof over there, but there's the biggest rat in that trap. They're massive round here. Look how big that is. I bet you can't see it because it's a GoPro. But this will probably be added on to my other video of the rain. This is obviously a different day. When I just saw that rat, I just thought I'd video it, because normally what happens when it rains and it starts flooding, if it's raining heavy, you see all rats running around because they're in the drains, and of course the drains flood, so the rats are running around. And I was thinking of getting an air rifle pellet gun, but I've been told it's illegal for us to even have that, so I ain't going to be doing that. So looks like another day in the house. I won't be doing anything because looking at the forecast, we're in for a couple of days of this. I think it's been the worst rainy season this year for rain. We've hardly had any good days. But touch wood, things are going to get better. Obviously not for the rat. He's not going to have a good day. Well guys, seems like I've got it wrong. We're not on the edge of the typhoon. The typhoon's actually coming. The wind is picking up. I'm just a little bit concerned because on the other side of here, you know, we've got this size window. Oh, you can't see. You see that way? Yeah, that's better. We've got this size window, it's very big, and there's two very small bolts keeping the windows locked. And if there's a lot of wind and rain, forget about a typhoon. On the other side of the building, the rain comes through the gaps in the windows and floods the place. So if we get a typhoon, worst case scenario, the windows blow in, and we've got a problem. But I'm too big to get onto the roof and nail anything on. We've left it a bit too late anyway. As you can see, it absolutely pours it down, and then it stops for a little while, and then it absolutely pours it down again. It's very windy. That rat's not going to be here very long on top of the roof if it's a typhoon. That rat's going bye-byes. And that's not the biggest rat I've seen either. I mean, that's the size of a cat, that thing. It's massive. But that's what we've got running around here. It's a bit scary. But hopefully it's not going to be really, really bad. But what we should have done is, while we had some decent weather, we should have boarded the other side up, because I know you can't really get any sense of direction here, but the wind comes from that way and it comes the other way. This side is nearly always alright, but the other side isn't, and that's the side we need to board up. Like I say, fingers crossed it'll not be massively bad. But we haven't had one yet that's not been really not so good, do you know what I mean? So I've never seen them put a trap on the roof before to catch rats, because I bet there's hundreds if not thousands of rats. You'd need a lot of traps and a lot of days, weeks, months. My God, they breed like rabbits. So keep us in your prayers. I hope we get through it. I'm not sure how bad it's going to be, but I've been told it's coming, so we'll see. Just wanted to keep you informed and up to date, guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,